Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Trim with a Robo-Advisor. Are you looking to automate your investment alongside managing your finances with Trim? Linking a Robo-Advisor can help. All you got to do is open the Trim app and go to the settings or integration section. Look for the option to connect a Robo-Advisor. This could be popular services like Betterment, Wealthfront, or other Trim supports. Tap on your preferred Robo-Advisor and log in securely to your account when prompted. Grant Trim permission to synchronize data with your Robo-Advisor, allowing you to monitor your investment balances, contributions, and performances within Trim. This integration helps you get a full picture of your finances, bank accounts, bills, savings, and investments all in one place. If you decide to unlink later, just return to Integration menu and disconnect the Robo-Advisor. That's how you connect your investment automations with Trim for smarter money management. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to contact Trim customer support. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.